What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a breakfast wrap, I guess you would call it. I'm gonna do that triangle fold where I fold a burrito shell, 3 different ways, and throw a bunch of good stuff inside of it. So let's show you what I'm working with, and we'll get it going. So right here we got some sausages. Just gonna get these things going first. Along with these veggies, we got jalapeno and white onion. You know, just your standard stuff. 2 of my favorite things to cook on the griddle. All right, so we're just gonna fry up these veggies real quick. Man, these smells coming off here, boy. All right, just let them go. Let the sausage go. It's probably gonna take like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes for the sausages to cook all the way through. Let's just give them a little turn. All right, boom. Bring you back when we're ready to move some stuff over. Then we're gonna be putting some scrambled eggs down and a burrito shell and lots of good stuff. You're gonna be bringing it in just a hot second. Going? All right, these veggies are good. I got a nice char on those. That's the way I like it. Since I'm only cooking for myself tonight, I get to do whatever I want. So the sausage is going good over here. It's done right now, but I'm just gonna leave them going. I'm gonna turn these low. Now I've had these on high the whole time, and these have been off, and I just turned them on low. So we're running at about 4:15-ish in the middle, and that's where I'm gonna do my eggs right over here to the side. I got some oil down right here. Let's put some butter. This butter's kind of hard, brand new. Want a lot of butter for these eggs. All right, let's do that. Get that butter mixed around. Now what I'm gonna do, I did a video like this about a year or so ago where I took the eggs, I put them on the griddle, put them in a circle, put the burrito shell directly on top of it, and then let it cook together like that. So that's what I'm gonna do right here as well. All right, we got a good amount of eggs over here, or butter and oil. So let's go ahead and put some eggs down. Now I'm gonna need my spatula, because this is the burrito shell right here. It's a big one, so want to try and get it in that range. I might be short an egg, I'm not sure. Let's try it out. All right, so it didn't want to go that well. I think I needed the griddle a little hotter, but I think we're good enough. We're just gonna put this thing down right here. I don't care if it's coming out of the edge or anything. That's perfectly fine. I just want the egg to get roughly covering this thing up, and anything that's left, we'll just kind of move it to the side, tuck it under a little bit. My shell got a little hard out here. It's freezing outside right now. No good. All right, let's just let this thing warm up, let it cook into this shell. We're golden. All right, so I think we're done here. I'm just working it around, making sure, oh yeah, we're nice and loosey-goosey. All right, let's give this thing a flip. Oh, baby, look at that. All right, so we're cutting it right like so. We're gonna put a little bit of this on there. This is some habanero salsa. Gonna put that right in the first flip, right over here. We're gonna put some sausage links on the next one. How am I gonna do these things? Let's go here, here, there. Come here. Ah, that is hot. Boom. I think that'll do. All right, now we're gonna need to wipe my hand. get these veggies. That's going all up over here. Oh yeah. Boom. Now lots of cheese. All right. Now this is lots of cheese. I'm gonna put it over this too. Why not? Ain't gonna hurt none. Want the cheese over here to hold this thing closed. All right. Here we go. That is hot. Right like that. And now, one last flip. Keep this thing closed. Whew, that is hot. All right, there you have it. I had to mess with it a little bit off camera, get that thing straight back out, but boom. That is a fat little sandwich, or wrap, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're just gonna let this thing toast up on each side. All right, let's give this thing a flip. Ooh, baby. That's the kind of toast I like right there. That is good. All right. Oh, baby, look at this. Let's cut it up. Man, let's dive into this. A little hot. Man, the sausage, next time what I'll do, I'm gonna cut the sausage in half so that, you know, they're long pieces, but they're half, there's a flat side, because they were moving around in there making it hard. So, man, this is really good though. First thing I got was the onion and the jalapeno, and then I could taste that salsa. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Piece of sausage just fell out. This is really, really good, guys. You know what? My grill's off. I'm about to, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna get this inside and I am gonna eat. I appreciate you guys coming along for this one. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Let me know some different things that you guys would throw in here. Curious. Last time I did something similar, I had bacon in there. That was good too. I mean, there's tons of options. Let me know what you think, what you would like. So yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.